Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. The battery in this 2016 Hyundai Sonata is located right here under the hood. It's fairly easy to get to. But before we begin, check with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the vehicle's computer's memories alive while the battery is being replaced. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to remove the push pins for the air duct. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver for that. And then remove the air duct. Next, remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And then remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Open the cover and loosen the fastener using a 10mm wrench. Next, remove the battery hold-down clamp. You'll need a 12mm wrench for that. Now we can remove the old battery and its heat shield. And install the replacement battery and its heat shield. Then reinstall the battery's hold-down clamp and tighten the fastener. A piece of paper can be used to hold the bolt onto the wrench. It's a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery terminals and cable clamps. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. And then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. Next, we can reinstall the air duct. And we're done. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.